Hello, how do we solve these systems of two equations? X plus y equals to 4, xy equals to 16. How do we find the value of x and y? Let us call this equation 1 and this equation 2. From equation 1, we have x plus y equal to 4. Suppose we transfer y to the right hand side, we have x equals to 4 minus y. The next step we are going to take now is to replace this x with 4 minus y. Doing that, we have 4 minus y times y equal to the right hand side 16. 4 times y, that is 4y, minus y times y, that is negative y square, equal to 16. This implies that 4y minus y square. When 16 comes to the left hand side, we have minus 16 equals to 0. This implies that minus y square plus 4y minus 16 is equals to 0. Now, let us multiply both sides by negative 1 to get rid of this negative sign. Multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus times negative y square, that is y square, minus times 4y, that is negative 4y, minus times minus 16, that is plus 16, equals to 0. You will notice that this is a quadratic equation and we can solve it using quadratic formula. The quadratic formula says y is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Our a here is 1, the coefficient of y square, and b is negative 4, and c is 16. Now let us substitute each value into this right hand side. So y is equals to minus, what is b? B is minus 4 plus or minus square root of, what is b? B is minus 4. We have minus 4 all square minus 4 times, what is a? A is 1 times, what is c? C is 16 over 2 times, what is a? A is 1. Let's proceed further. Y is equals to minus times minus 4, that is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 to the power of 2, that is 16, minus 4 times 16, that is 64, over 2 times 1, that is 2. So y is equals to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 64, that is negative 48, all over 2. Y is equals to 4 plus or minus square root of negative 48 could be written as square root of 48 times square root of negative 1 over 2. Y is equals to 4 plus or minus, we can also rewrite square root of 48 as square root of 16 times square root of 3 times square root of negative 1 over 2. So y is equals to 4 plus or minus, what is square root of 16? That is 4. So we have 4 times square root of 3. Don't forget this guy, square root of negative 1. It is simply I from the couplets number. So we have I over 2. Y is equals to, this right hand side could be written as 4 over 2 plus or minus 4 root 3 I over 2. Y is equals to 4 divided by 2, that is 2, plus or minus 2 here 1, 2 in 4, that is 2. We are left with 2 root 3 I. This means that y1 is equals to 2 plus 2 root 3i, or y2 is equals to 2 minus 2 root 3i. We can now go ahead and use these two values of y to obtain the values of x. Since x is equals to 4 minus y, this comes from the first step that we obtained. Let me show you. What we obtained here from equation 1, x plus y equals to 4, we arrive at this. Let's proceed further. This is minus. So, when y is equals to 2 plus 2 root 3i, y is equals to 2 plus 2 root 3i, x is equals to 4 minus this guy, 2 plus 2 root 3i, x is equals to 4 minus times 2, that is negative 2, minus times 2 root 3i, that is negative 2 root 3i. Clearly, x is equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2 minus 2 root 3i. This means that our first solution, which is x1 comma y1, is equals to x1 is this 2 minus 2 root 3i, comma y1 is this guy 2 plus 2 root 3i, 2 plus 2 root 3i. This is the first solution. Now let us consider the case when y is equals to 2 minus 2 root 3i. Let's continue. When y2, which is the same thing as y, is equals to 2 minus 2 root 3i, since x is equals to 4 minus y, from this guy, this implies that x is equals to 4 minus, what is y now? Y now is 2 minus 2 root 3i, 2 minus 2 root 3i. X is equals to 4 minus times 2, that is negative 2, minus times minus 2 root 3i, that is plus 2 root 3i. X is equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2 plus 2 root 3i. Thus, the second solution, s2 comma y2, is equals to, our x is 2 plus 2 root 3i, 2 plus 2 root 3i, comma y2 is 2 minus 2 root 3i, 2 minus 2 root 3i. Therefore, all the solutions that we obtain, the first solution, x1 comma y1, is equals to 2 minus 2 root 3i, comma y1 is 2 plus 2 root 3i, and s2 comma y2 is equals to all of these guys, 2 plus 2 root 3i, comma 2 minus 2 root 3i. This is the required solution for these systems of two equations. That's it. Thanks for watching.